Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, mom of two boys who love to shoot things. This is our latest Nerf gun. This is the Elite 2.0, and what drew my oldest son to this particular Nerf gun was its cool tactical design. This is actually really unique because you can customize the look. The scope on top is removable, as well as the barrel on the front. So you can take this off and you can take this off, and what's cool is these tracks here on the top. Nerf offers other add-on accessories that you can customize with this too. So how cool is that? The barrel has an 8 dart capacity, and then you also have onboard storage that holds another 8 darts, which is really nice. Then once you empty the barrel initially, you're not scrambling around looking for darts on the floor. You've got them right here on board. My son also really likes how this is primed. So you've got this bar that you pull forward and back quickly to engage the darts. It's a lot of fun. We like to play as teams against each other. We like to do target practice. So if you have kids that love Nerf guns, this one should definitely be on your list. And that's our point of view.